So here I am done with all the connections, as you can see, and it's looking not too much clean, but it's fine. So let me explain to you what is going on here. So first of all, consider that this rail is positive of these cells and this rail is negative of these cells. I mean, these solder points on that side is the positive one and these are the negative ones. So first of all, take that balance connector, and as you can see, this is the first pin of the balance connector is going to be positive. So first of all, you have to attach the first cell positive to the first cell of the first connector, first pin of the balance connector. Then you have to take the second cell positive and connect it to second pin of the connector, and so on until you reach the last pin of your balance connector. The last pin of the balance connector is going to attach with the last negative point of the battery. So as you can see, I have take that point and connected to last pin of the balance connector. Then you have to take the first negative of the first cell and attach it to second positive. Then you have to take second negative to the third positive. Then you have to third negative to the fourth positive, and so on. Then you have to take the wire, the main wire, like this positive, and you have to take the negative wire. So the negative wire, the positive wire is going to connect with the first cell of the positive, and the negative wire is going to connect with the last cell of the negative. So this is the simple connection. You don't have to find the diagram. Just listen to my words and you can make your any kind of charger or a battery pack. Now we have to see that the battery pack or battery charger that we have been working on it is working or not. Let me connect the connector. Wait a second. Yes, I think so, it's working. First cell voltage 3.3, second 3.9, and so on. It's mean our connections are good. If the connections were bad, then we would not be getting that accurate reading, or it might be throwing some error. Fine as charm. So let's charge it and see the results. So as you can see, everything is going good. The cells are charging and the total voltage now is 23.2. The current is going at 3 amp, and all the statuses are good. No wire is heating up, I think so, and no cells are heating up. So from me, it's a good project, or it's a useful tool to use that you can swipe the cells and charge your lithium ion 18650 cells. So you don't have to mess it up with all these cells before charging it. You can just pull it back, or put the new cells or old cells to charge. That if I'm able to balance all the 6 cells, or let me give an example to you. If I able to balance these 4 cells, then I am going to make the 4S pack from these cells. Like if these 4 cells, like 1 2 3 4, balanced at the same number of voltages, at the same, like 4.2 4.2 4.2, I will pull out them and will create a 4S pack. So this is the main motive of this project, that why I have built this. The reason behind for making this project is to make all the mess up into like converting into clean thing. As you can see, it is a clean project, that you have to only pull out the cell, and then if you have to charge the cell, then swipe the another one and another one. For now it is 6S capable. Later on I will change my charger as you can see, it is only capable for 6 cell max. So but the holders, the two holders are extra, so I can add more cell to make that all 8 assists. So this is that for this video. I hope you like this project. If you like this project, please share this video, subscribe my channel. I will see you next time. Bye bye.